Welcome back to the trade table. I bet you didn't know the key differences between conventional and convection ovens. It's your main man from the trade table, here to tackle a culinary conundrum as old as time. Well, at least as old as the advent of the electric oven. When upgrading your kitchen, choosing the right oven can make all the difference in your cooking experience. The biggest debate? Conventional versus convection ovens. Now some folks will tell you one is flat out better, but we here at the trade table believe in the right tool for the right job. That's why today, we're diving deep into the heart of these heat-throwing behemoths. We'll break down the science, bust some myths, and by the end, you'll be a certified oven aficionado, ready to make the best decision for your culinary needs. So, buckle up, buttercups, and get ready for a piping hot adventure that's sure to make you the envy of every dinner party on the block. Let's start with the old workhorse, the conventional oven. Picture this: a metal box with two heating elements, one top, one bottom. It's the culinary equivalent of a radiator, using radiant heat to cook your food. Now, this simplicity is both a blessing and a curse. Sure, it's straightforward, but it's also the reason why that casserole might be a tad browner on one side than the other. Remember those hot spots your grandma warned you about? Yeah, those are real, folks. But don't write off Grandpa's oven just yet. This tried and true method is perfect for certain tasks, especially when you need gentle, slow cooking. Think roasts, casseroles, and anything that requires a good long soak in the heat. First off, familiarity. Most recipe books are written with conventional ovens in mind, so you won't need to do any mental gymnastics with temperatures or timings. Plus, they tend to be gentler on delicate dishes thanks to that radiant heat. Then there's the cost. In the battle of the budget, conventional ovens usually come out on top, so if you're looking for a reliable no-frills option, this could be your winner. And let's not forget the beauty of slow and low. Conventional ovens excel at those dishes that need to braise or roast for hours. It's all about that gentle, even heat that turns tougher cuts of meat into melt-in-your-mouth masterpieces. Now for the downsides. Remember those hot spots? Yeah, they're a real pain, leading to uneven cooking and occasionally, culinary heartbreak. You might find yourself rotating pans or strategically placing dishes to avoid overbrowning. And speaking of time, conventional ovens aren't exactly known for their speed. That slow and steady approach can be a drag when you're short on time or craving crispy results. Lastly, let's talk energy efficiency. Sadly, conventional ovens aren't the greenest appliances on the block. Those longer cooking times mean more energy used, which can show up on your utility bills. Now, on to the convection oven, the sleek, modern cousin of the conventional. This oven comes equipped with a secret weapon, a fan. This little guy circulates the hot air, creating a consistent temperature throughout the cooking chamber. Think of it like this: a conventional oven is like taking a leisurely bath in a still tub, while a convection oven is like braving a jacuzzi. Things are definitely more lively. This constant air movement is the key to faster cooking times and more even browning. It's like having a tiny culinary assistant ensuring every inch of your food gets kissed by the perfect amount of heat. Cookies bake evenly, roasts get crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. It's a thing of beauty. So, which oven reigns supreme? Well, it all boils down to your cooking style and priorities. For the traditionalists, the budget-conscious and the slow-cooking enthusiasts, the conventional oven might be your perfect match. It's reliable, familiar, and gets the job done. But if you're all about efficiency, even cooking, and crave that irresistible crispy texture, then the convection oven is your culinary soulmate. No matter which oven you choose, remember the most important ingredient is always passion. So get in the kitchen, experiment, and have fun creating delicious masterpieces. Now, a quick tip for all you convection newbies: the 25/25 rule. Since convection ovens cook faster, you need to adjust your recipes. Reduce your oven temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit and your cooking time by 25%. For example, if a recipe calls for 350 degrees for 40 minutes, in a convection oven, you'd bake at 325 degrees for 30 minutes. This simple rule will help prevent overbrowning and ensure your dishes come out perfectly cooked every time. And remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Ready to upgrade? Shop the best ovens at the trade table. Whether you prefer a conventional oven's classic reliability or a convection oven's speed and efficiency, the trade table has the best selection of ovens for your home. From top-of-the-line brands to budget-friendly options, our team of experts can help you find the perfect oven to fit your needs and budget. Plus, we offer unbeatable prices and exceptional customer service. Visit the trade table today and experience the difference. Your dream kitchen awaits.